Have you ever wondered how you can make your garden not only productive but also artistic? Imagine harnessing the ancient horticultural technique of espalier, training trees or shrubs against a flat surface in decorative patterns. Well, stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of espalier. Creating an espalier may seem like a daunting task, but with a little patience and these steps, you can transform your garden into a living work of art. Firstly, it's essential to choose the right plant. Fruit trees like apple and pear are popular choices due to their flexibility and abundant yield. They offer a beautiful blend of form and function, providing both a stunning visual display and a tasty harvest. Next, you'll need a sturdy support system. A wall, fence, or a specially built trellis can serve this purpose. And remember, location is key. A sunny spot allows the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently, promoting healthier growth and better fruit production. Once you've got your plant and location sorted, it's time to attach the tree to the support. Using soft ties, secure the main branches along your chosen pattern, whether it's a traditional fan, cordon, or something more intricate. Pruning is another crucial step. It helps maintain the desired shape and encourages the growth of fruit-bearing spurs. Carefully remove any growth that doesn't fit the pattern, but be mindful not to overdo it. Lastly, it's all about maintenance. Regular inspections, timely pruning, and adequate watering are essential to keep your espalier healthy and beautiful. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your very own espalier. So, to quickly recap what we've covered today, we've explored how to select the right plant, provide robust support, and the art of pruning and maintaining your espalier masterpiece. Thanks for joining us on this espalier journey. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.